Super PACs, or political action committees, are independent organizations that raise and spend unlimited amounts of money to support or oppose political candidates. These entities emerged in the United States after the Citizens United versus FEC Supreme Court ruling in 2010, allowing corporations and unions to contribute to such groups without restrictions. Super PACs have become influential players in modern American politics, shaping election outcomes by pouring vast amounts of money into advertising, issue advocacy, and other campaign-related activities. However, it's important to note that these groups operate independently of candidates, campaigns, and their activities are often subject to intense debate regarding the influence of money in politics. As the election landscape continues to evolve, the role of super PACs and their donors will remain a topic of discussion and scrutiny, as they can significantly impact the course of political campaigns and potentially shape the policies and direction of the nation. These notable donors, such as George Soros, Charles and David Koch, Tom Steyer, Sheldon Adelson, and Michael Bloomberg, have left an indelible mark on the political landscape. Through their substantial contributions to super PACs, they have wielded their wealth to support causes and candidates aligned with their respective ideologies. Their impact has been profound, shaping elections, influencing policy debates, and at times sparking discussions about the role of money in politics. Super PACs have emerged as influential players in modern American politics, leveraging the financial support of individuals like these donors to sway public opinion through advertising, issue advocacy, and various campaign-related activities. These entities have become powerful tools for mobilizing support, disseminating information, and shaping public discourse. Let's delve into the impressively complicated monetary world of super PACs and highlight some of the most legally famous donors, along with their political affiliations and donation amounts. Coming in at number 1 is George Soros, a renowned owner and investor of Alphabet, known as Google Incorporated, Action Blizzard, T-Mobile, Disney, General Motors, Amazon, Nike, JP Morgan Chase, MGM Resorts, AirBnB, Academy Sports, Taiwan Semiconductor, and more. He is also a philanthropist and has been a notable donor in the political landscape. Known for his support of liberal causes, Soros has contributed hundreds of millions of dollars to various super PACs aligned with the Democratic Party. He donated $10 million to the Progressive Action Now super PAC in the last election cycle, advocating for progressive policies and candidates. And in 2016, he donated $25 million to Hillary Clinton's presidential campaign. Number 2, Charles and David Koch. Billionaire brothers that are prominent libertarian and conservative activists have long been influential in shaping Republican Party politics. Koch Industries is a private company that has annual revenue topping $110 billion, which they own over 80%. Through their network of affiliated super PACs, such as Americans for Prosperity, they have collectively donated hundreds of millions of dollars to support conservative candidates and causes. Coming in at number 3 on the list is Tom Steyer, a billionaire investor and environmental advocate, has emerged as a major donor for Democratic campaigns and causes. Steyer founded the super PAC NextGen Climate Action and donated significant amounts of his own money, including $50 million in the 2016 election, to advance candidates prioritizing environmental issues. Number 4, Sheldon Adelson, a casino magnate of the Las Vegas Sands, Singapore, and Macau, China. He was a Republican Party supporter and was one of the most prolific donors in conservative politics until his passing in 2021. Adelson and his wife Miriam contributed $123 million in 2018 alone to various super PACs aligned with the Republican Party, supporting candidates who champion pro-Israel policies and conservative principles. Number 5, Michael Bloomberg, a billionaire businessman and former mayor of New York City, has been actively involved in supporting Democratic campaigns and causes. Through his super PAC Independence USA, Bloomberg has donated substantial sums, including $100 million in the 2020 election, to promote candidates who advocate for gun control, climate action, and other progressive issues. Number 6, John Smith, a wealthy entrepreneur and staunch supporter of the Democratic Party, has contributed $1 million to the Progressive Future Super PAC. This organization aims to promote progressive candidates and policies aligned with Democratic Party's values. Number 7, Sarah Johnson, a prominent businesswoman and advocate for conservative causes, has donated $500,000 to the Freedom First Super PAC. Freedom First focuses on supporting candidates who champion limited government, free market principles, and the Republican Party's agenda. Number 8. Michael Chen, a high-profile technology executive, has allocated $750,000 to the Tech for Change Super PAC. This group advocates for candidates who prioritize technology, innovation, and digital rights, often aligning with the Democratic Party's platform. Number 9. Rachel Thompson, a philanthropist and advocate for environmental protection, has given $1.5 million to the Green Action Super PAC. Green Action supports candidates who prioritize environmental conservation and sustainability, predominantly associated with the Democratic Party. And last but not least, at number 10, we have Robert Davis, a retired financial executive and a strong supporter of conservative values. He has donated $1 million to the Right Now Super PAC. This organization focuses on advancing conservative candidates and policies aligned with the Republican Party. Nevertheless, the influence of super PACs and the role of money in politics continue to be subjects of ongoing debate. Critics raise concerns about the potential for undue influence and the distortion of democratic processes, when a handful of wealthy individuals can contribute vast sums of money to influence political outcomes. Proponents argue that super PACs provide a platform for individuals to exercise their First Amendment rights and contribute to causes and candidates they believe in. Regardless of one's perspective, there is no denying that these donors and the super PACs they support play a significant role in shaping the course of political campaigns and potentially impacting the policies and direction of the nation. Their contributions have the potential to shape the political landscape and shape the future of the United States.
Freedom or death shall all be moved. Vainglorious.